And we have never minced our words as far as that is concerned. Never at any point did we mince our words. They took Itaizama, and we are saying that has got to stop. Not only must it stop, they must account for Itaizama. The price for what they did must be escalated, so that next time they know kuti avabate munhu achimpunyikidza sezvavakaita kuna Itaizama. I'm inviting you to help me welcome Pastor Ivan Mawalire as he leads us in the next segment. Let's put our hands together for Pastor Ivan.
Thank you so much, Kuna Patson, my brother, together ne Muriekwa Zamara. Vatipa Mkana Uno, they have given us this chance to come and remember Itai Zamara and to demand for answers concerning his life, and also to give us a platform where we can say that this should never happen again. Azvifanirwe kuitika munyika ine vanhu vanoda Mwari, vanhu vanoziva kuti kuna Mwari, vanotya Mwari, kuti panotorwa munhu, kuti panouraiwa vanhu, kuti kunokuvadzwa vanhu vasina mhosva, isu tonyarara. Kuungana kwataita pano, the reason we are gathered here today is because we have chosen as a people never to remain silent about injustice.